I'm Melissa with Melicious Definitely Seeds, and I am going to eat a apocalypse scorpion pepper. The reason why I chose this one is because it's labeled as 13, which right here says apocalypse scorpion. So I'm going to eat this one, and I'm going to make shrimp kabobs, and I'll be using my PIna hotta hot sauce. So first I'm going to start with this, and then I'll go on. So I'm going to take the advice of somebody who says to just pick out the seed. So it's probably going to take me a minute, so bear with me. And I was working out in the garden, so my nose is running. Okay, so here we go. So it said don't take out anything else other than the seeds. You can't even see what I'm doing. Let's see. Let's move my thing here. Just it. I'm just gonna have to too tall to squat. All right, here we go. Let's try this. Okay. Oh my God, this is tedious. Now I know why they charge so much for the seeds. Oh man. Okay. I just planted a bunch of plants and I ran out of soil and grow bags, so I'm stuck. I still have, I think I counted 28 plants still. All right, so just the seeds. Just the seeds. I've never had environmental allergies kick my butt so bad. I wouldn't say so bad because it's not really bothering me except for my nose is running, the sneeze attacks. But as I tell other patients, 'tis the season for sneezing. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this, but dear Lord Jesus, I don't have the patience. Almost. Oh my God. And I'm wearing gloves again because, okay. Oh, there's little sneakers in there. Don't want seeds. Okay. All right. So they say that the apocalypse scorpion is about 1,400,000 Scoville units, or 560 times hotter than a jalapeno. Oh dear Jesus. Oh, I can smell the burn. I like ghost peppers better. Oh dear. Okay, I can do this. I don't know why I take forever to do this. I'm just afraid it's gonna be earthy, but the seeds are out, so I have no excuse. Okay. I can smell it. Whew. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. We can do this. All right. I need a chair. Maybe that's what I should do. I'm gonna put this down and I'm gonna get a chair. I don't think it's gonna be any better. Oh, there we go. A little bit. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's do this. All right. Oh. Pepper. Oop. Ah. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah, this scorpion pepper is almost like instantly sting your tongue. That's why with my scorpion venom hot sauce, I call it scorpion venom because it like stings almost like immediately when it touches your tongue. Whew. Okay, two. All right, so first things first, I got my shrimp. I got a pineapple. I've got skewers that I soaked in water overnight. The reason why I do that is because otherwise, put it in here. Otherwise, it'll catch on fire on the grill and it'll catch on fire before you're even done making your food. Okay, so I'm gonna peel these in the bowl. Good size. I'm gonna actually use this to put the shrimp with the shells. Holy moly, it burns. Woo! Okay, now it's starting to burn. Whew. Oh my gosh. Okay. Whew. Oh my god. What do I do? Okay, that one was a pain in the butt to get off. Alright. Halfway done with peeling these suckers. I can feel it in my eyeball. My eyeball! Still nothing will compare to that chocolate vermicelli. Ooh-wee. This one, I don't know why this one gets my ear. Ooh-wee. Okay. Usually this one has like 5 minutes of burn. But they all kind of do. Oh my god, this one feels like I have hot boiling water in my ear. Oh my goodness. Can't sit. I'm antsy. Oh my goodness. Whoo-wee. It hurts my ear, my tongue. It's only on that one side. Oh my god, that was hot pepper. Oh. See me see my outside of my eyeball. Oh, seed. These babies off. Okay, since I'm done with the pepper, I am going to remove my gloves. Oh. Brutal. Okay. I am going to cut my pineapple now. Bottoms. Top. It's funny. This is the only eye that's watering. This one's fine. This one's watering. And this ear is burning like a... Hoo-wee. I don't know on the side. This one's overripe, but I don't care. It's not even cooked. It's so weird. Look at this. This eyeball. It's like... It's only one-sided. Okay, so... Okay, so the heat is starting to calm down, but my eye is... It's like watering. Okay. Excuse me. Knives are shit. Crap. Pirate shit. my god. Nose is running now. Take a bit of that, but then I would have eaten something after eating a hot pepper. I ate a weenie. Okay, so put those off there. So I kind of like this. A lot of times I use these so that it's not gonna work. Okay. So now I usually gauge the size of the shrimp. I take the skewer like this. I usually have long ones, but I've been lazy. I haven't gone to the store. Look at, I'm crying. It should be in my face. Okay, set that on there. Next shrimps. Okay, it's finally calmed down. My eyes still watering. My nose is, well, my nose was running to begin with, but not like this. That's from working in the garden. I would still be out there working, but I get to the point where I get really busy and then I forget to eat because I get so busy and I don't have time and I don't feel like cooking dinner. This one. Look at that. Yum. It would be nice to have bigger skewers, but these I used for my jalapeno poppers. It's easier if you use the pineapple as the base because then shrimps don't fall off. The grill is heating up right now. Okay. Oh my goodness. These are so good, I want to eat it, but I'm not going to because I can go without eating or drinking anything for, so far it's 14 minutes in. But still, I can do it. Ooh, that still has a part of the shell in there. Oh my goodness. I feel like a toddler. I was gonna cook a ribeye. I forgot to take it out. Usually take it out just a little before so it sits at room temperature a bit because I like my steak still mooing, and so I let it sit out so it has time to warm up and not have a cold center. Still be like perfect in the center, but not cold. It'll be warm. Okay. Let's see here. All right. shrimps is on there. Got one shrimp left. Maybe. There we go. Boom. Okay. I'll put those. Okay, I'll put that over there because shrimps are tight. I don't want to contaminate. Okay. I've got to be human and blow my nose. Okay. So, while I am trying to get situated, so here's the shrimps. I will say hello to a couple of my subscribers. I'm going to say first, I'll say hi to Dave and John, and then Tiffany. I have a lot of people who like to follow, and those who reach out to me consistently. I just want to say, hey, thank you for watching and giving me all the ideas and stuff on the content and stuff that you guys want. But right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it. I don't know why I did that, but just spray it. I also have the seasoning to this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to use it. But with my Forbidden Kiss, this is basically, it is, it's pineapple coconut. It's got orange bell pepper, scorpion, ghost, and I didn't take my medicine today, so I kind of ate lunch late. The only thing bad about this is it gets stuck in the neck. And when I first started this, I used to put this on there, but then I kicked myself in the butt because these are crap. I don't like them. Which... So my hot sauce is thick. It doesn't need those. I want sauce. I don't want liquid. Okay. So I don't put this on until after it's been cooked on each side. And then I baste it on there. And then the sugars and stuff that are in here will kind of like give it a smoky flavor from the, I use propane. Hopefully I have enough propane. I keep running out. I go through about 2 propane tanks a month. But I will, let's see here if I can. Okay. Okay. Rad. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Whoa. Oh. My port. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. These cook relatively fast. It's basically so high heat, and then I turn it down. Okay. Hot sauce. Alright, I'm gonna grab my little bowl. go relatively fast, so hopefully it'll work this time. I usually use the grate. Last time I used it, rusted all hell. There is a lot more people. Dawn, Joe, Lillian from work, my dad. My dad. I love the smell of pineapple cooking. Speaking of which, I gotta go grab the others. Looks like a potato. Turn it over. They look pretty. Oh my god. My rock. It's like fits perfectly there. So let's see. Oh, I can't mess with that right now. The landfill looks sand. My dill looks good. I try to grow the stuff that I use in my hot sauces because it say too many. Okay, so while that's cooking, let's go on a tour again. So, from the time I showed you last time, my peaches, they literally like grow so dang fast. These things are already huge. They're big. There's so many on here. See if you see those. This thing is covered. My Asian pear, I have a bunch on here. The previous years, last year I only had 4 peaches. And then the Asian pears, I had 6, but the squirrel likes those, the squirrels. So, but this time, I put the cat's hair in each of the little pots in the dirt. And they haven't messed with digging in the dirt. Well, does anybody have an update on Mr. Bo Jackson's procedure? I haven't heard anything on it, and I thought it was supposed to happen sometime this week. I'm getting anxious and impatient. I mean, it's definitely not been 10 months, but long enough. It is, I don't know. That's how people know me, my hiccups. They don't even have to know if I'm present. They don't even have to see me. They just go, they hear me. Oh, Melissa's here. Hi, Melissa. How'd you know it was me? Oh, no. All right, let's check these babies. Before I ramble on again. Ramble. Okay. Almost. Oh my god, it smells good. Okay. While that is cooking, I am going to turn it up just a little bit more. I'm going to go get foil to line the paper. People cruise around that damn corner. Alright, I'm gonna go get my ribeye. Now I'm gonna go get my ribeye. This is why I use the grate. you can't see, there it is. It smells yummy. Okay, it's got my hot sauce on it. I'm gonna eat this. I like this because it's not overpowering with the coconut or the pineapple. It's not sweet, it's not tart. It's got the perfect amount of balance as far as heat goes. Flavor, of course, is the focus. So, but this is it's also good on chicken breast if you don't do seafood. It is good. Somebody also said fish. I haven't tried fish, but somebody said that they use it on their fish. Shrimp. I also use the dills off, but that one's not available to the public just yet. It will be. It's just right now I just gotta do my other deliciousnesses. Okay. My tongs suck too. Yeah. I need a sugar daddy. They're dollar store crap. Knives are dollar. Well, actually, the knives are not dollar store. I got those at Macy's on clearance. They suck. I even sharpen them. Okay. All right. Mom. These are yummy. I'll just drop some on. I'll try. This one's still just a little longer. The reason why I can tell is the color. The color of the shrimps is. It's still gray. It's not done yet. This one's still gray. Okay, that one's toast. Okay, so you get the gist of this. And then what I do is I dip it into there. But I am going to put my ribeye. See? Yummy! Oh, I love ribs. Okay. I'm not the big guy. Look at that, baby. So beautiful. Okay, it's cooking. It's been 34 minutes. I ramble. I ate an apocalypse pepper. So that gives you an idea if you want to try pineapple shrimp kebabs with peanut hotta. Right now my website is under construction. It's being redesigned. I had to transfer hosts. Fortunately, the one that I had, too many glitches, and I can't be having that. And so if anybody is trying to reach out or trying to get on my website, until then, you can reach me at 7deadlyseeds at gmail.com. And or you can my Facebook page. Stupid Teary. Anyways, try this again. So if you are looking into hot sauce and wanting more information, 7deadlyseeds at gmail.com. And just until my website's back. I have 336 subscribers. Every day I gain one, I lose two, I gain another. So Thank you for everybody who puts up with my random rambling, and welcome to Melicious World. And I'm going to call myself the sorceress because I think that is very creative. I'd rather be called that than the owner or the creator or the maker. There's not very many people who call themselves the sorceress. And I'm weird, so I'm going to go with that. So thank you again, everybody, for putting up with my rambling for the last 35 minutes and 56 seconds. So I'm going to say goodnight. Everybody have a